Okay, room 10051, Hilton O'Hare International Airport, on the 10th floor. Oh, we'll go this way. There's big old mirrors. Huge mirrors. Once again, another adjoining room. I don't know how I always get adjoining rooms. King-size bed. It is considered an office suite. So we have water, tea and coffee. Refrigerator. It is a refrigerator, not a cooler. They don't have the TV on saying welcome, Robin. Usually it says welcome, Robin. Desk with a mirror. Hey, hey. And we've got an outlet here and an outlet here. Then we have, it's a recliner. It's actually a recliner. Yeah, it's a recliner. Let's see if I can open it. There we go. Look there. A recliner. Woohoo! Then over here we have an outlet on the light. An outlet on the light. That's two outlets on the light. An outlet. What's that? The CSB or whatever it is. The USB and a regular one. The view is of the parking lot. I could have got oh no, this is considered the runway view. That's right. It's the runway view. Because you can see the runway over there. Let's see if I can get that plane right there. And there, it's being pulled up by one of them little tractor thingies. Then we have the thermostat on the wall. Then over here to the other side of the bed, we have a regular plug there, regular plug there. Once again, USB and whatever that little one is. I forget what that little one's called. I forget what that little one's called. And this is an alarm clock. And this is also a cordless charger. To the bathroom. Oh, and there's a plug right there on the wall. Plenty of plugs in this room. Okay. The bathroom. The bathroom. It has the bathtub. The bathtub. And a Mac Daddy shower head. Check out that shower head. And of course the typicals. Right. Down here you have your hair dryer. 2 rolls of toilet paper. 3 washcloths. 3 hand towels. Looks like 1 bath mat and 5 towels. Oh no, I take that back. That's 1 bath mat and 2 towels. It just looks like more the way it's folded. Okay? There is your emergency evacuation plan. There it is. The king-size bed in the Hilton O'Hare International Airport in Chicago with a recliner. Okay, so that way is the restaurant and bar. It's really busy though, so I can't really go in there and film. Then right here is a little cafe. It's a little cafe. They have menu, coffee. It smells like a Starbucks. Foods to go. This is the lobby. They have a convention going on right now. And that's a little snack shop. Gifts and snacks. Down here is the Gaslight Club. I don't know what the Gaslight Club is. Oh, Gaslight Club and Ballroom. Sorry, there's a lot of people standing in the doorway there. So, this is the lower lobby. This is where the conference rooms and stuff like that are. But there's a barber shop in here.
It's the one that's to the right, facing the desk.
There's an ATM machine, a barber shop, a gift store. And then that way is to the train, and that way is to the airport terminals. Now we're going to go back up. Okay, so they have these TV screens, right? And at the bottom, it tells you home, explore, dining, events, activities, amenities, and flights. So you can check your flights on here. So let's go with explore. Nothing comes up for explore. Oh, okay. It tells you restaurants and everything that are nearby. It tells you restaurants, entertainment, attractions, museums, shopping. It tells you everything. Okay, so dining. Okay, the Gaslight Club. It tells you all the things there is, right? Oh, and it even gives you the menu. Look at there. So it even gives you the menu for the different restaurants. Okay, let's do activities. No activities. Amenities. No amenities. Let's do flights. So you hit flights, and it tells you all the flights. Wow. Okay, so it tells you the airline, everything, the flight number, the time, the gate, whether or not it's on time. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Okay, so we're leaving our hotel room and we're going to the airport. I don't think there's going to be too many people out, so I think I can film this. On the lower level of the hotel, and it tells you where to go for which terminal your flight's at. So I'm in Terminal 2. I'm going to get all the way down here. There, the UPS store. So you can see up there, where do you want to go? Terminal 2, 3, 5, or transit to the city. So there's train to the city, also called the Blue Line. Or do you want to go to parking? Or you want to Terminal 2? Because they're all the employees go down that way. So we're going to go down this long tunnel. Okay, so here we are. We're going up. We're going up to Terminal 2. See? Terminal 2, Terminal 5, yada yada blah blah. Up we go. They got a big old dinosaur up in here. That big old dinosaur. Chicago Airport. It's a huge airport. It's a 10-minute walk to my gate. So we're off the elevator and we're going up again. And we're going over here to TSA pre-check. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that pretty? That's going to Terminal 1, but we're not going to Terminal 1. We're going to Terminal 2. So we're going to walk past a great big airplane. Great big airplane. With all of the stuff talking about the great big old airplane. Look at that. Great big old huge airplane. Big old airplane. They'll walk into my gate. On the people mover anyway. At least I get there faster, right?
Thanks for coming to the Hilton O'Hare International Airport in Chicago with us and seeing our room 10051 office suite. Also, we hope you enjoyed seeing some of the amenities here in the O'Hare National Airport. The Hilton has a lot to offer and we recommend it. We're Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.